Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of enabling developer mode in Windows 10. Developer mode unlocks exclusive development-based settings and allows you to install third-party apps outside of the Windows Store. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Settings app. To do this, click on the Start button, typically located at the bottom left corner of your screen, and select Settings from the menu. Excellent. Now that the Settings app is open, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Click on Update and Security. You'll find this option within the Settings menu. Great! Now, on to the next step. Step 3. Choose for developers from the left sidebar. This section provides access to exclusive development-based settings designed for software developers. Almost there now. On to the next step. Step 4. Switch to developer mode. Choose the radio button next to developer mode. Fantastic. Now that you've switched to developer mode, let's proceed to the next step. Step 5. Confirm the warning. A pop-up warning will appear, informing you that enabling developer mode and installing third-party apps from outside the Windows Store could expose personal information and your device to security risks. Click the Yes button in the blue pop-up window to proceed. Please be aware of the potential risks associated with enabling developer mode. Step 6. Click Yes. This final confirmation step will enable developer mode on your Windows 10 PC. Congratulations! You have successfully enabled developer mode in Windows 10. And that concludes today's tutorial on how to enable developer mode in Windows 10. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.